What's up, guys? Welcome back. Deku after the time skip. He's a little bit older and he's a little bit more tired. He looks like he hasn't slept in a while. I'm on the landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. So we start with his eyes, center point of my page about here, come up, over to the right. And we start with Deku's C sort of shaped eyes, curved eyes, right? So we just go around. Like this, right? Right, you got to thicken it up. So we'll add a little spike here at the front and then go around again. Just adding extra width to this, right? You got to make it just darker and sort of thicker. And then an extra little spike sticking off the front here. Okay, so then his eyes, right? So we can just see his oval shaped eyes inside here. And then his pupil inside that. Like so. He is real tired, right? So we're going to add like some extra sort of hatching lines around his eyes, right? So you're just going to make him look a little bit tired. Poor Deku. We'll go over to the other eye, same thing again. This sort of C-shaped eye, right? Then we just thicken up the eye shape, make it spiky at the front, and then add some darkness and width to this line. You're just increasing the line weight, that's what it's called. You just go the whole way around. Kind of stops at the corner of his eye when it joins the bottom eyelid. Like it gets thin here. See? Then we got an extra spike sticking off here. And then his iris and pupil, oval shaped. The pupil inside there. You color that black. Again, make him kind of tired around the eyes. Okay, what we can see for his nose is just like in the middle of his eyes, kind of, it's just this sort of hatching stuff going on, right? Like that. No nostrils or anything drawn in. His mouth then, kind of serious, sort of downturned kind of mouth in two parts. So you just leave a gap and go over to the other side. Like so. And then he's got his freckles. Same on the other side. Like so. So we can't see his chin, right? We can just see his sort of, what's Gran Torino's ripped sort of, it's his cape, isn't it? Yeah, just like ripped and torn, just coming across here. So you can do this like lots of different ways. I'm just doing a zigzag sort of line that comes across. And it's just coming across his face. Like that, right? And his jaw comes up the side. Just there. Same on this side. Like that. He's got hair that comes all the way across. So typical sort of Deku hair spikes, right? So it goes, it's kind of messy, All the way around his head. And maybe like a little bit more over here. Okay, so we can see like some eyelid lines and some eyebrow lines just inside here then. Like eyelid just coming across. Eyelid on this side. And then eyebrow, thicker sort of line just in there. And then a thicker line just over here as well. Like that. Right, so then his ears, you just see them sticking out from behind his hair. Same here. You can just see some light, not much, ear lines just inside. Okay, so then the rest of his head is just like hair. So we've got like some short spikes sticking out back here. And then it just all starts to go up around his head. Like this. Right, kind of like that, just going out and around real big. And he's got all this shadow inside, and you kind of have to draw it in, you know, because he's got this green section and then a black, pure black shadow. So we'll draw them in, right? And we can color them after. So you just go around the front of his hair pretty much this way. So that's black here. Yeah, and then black down here. We'll keep going just this way. And then right, kind of like that. So like I'll put dots. There's like black inside all these spaces, okay? I think, yeah. It's like a little bit of a green one here. So black all in here. And the rest is green. Okay. Okay, so then the rest of his Gran Torino's sort of cape that he's wearing, kind of like a scarf, comes around his body. And it's all ripped and torn and sort of scraggly. It's across like this. It's kind of all bumps on the edge, and then more sort of rips and tears all coming down this way. You can see sort of underneath it here. Right, like that. And some more sort of fold lines coming across here. Go this way. You can see a little bit of his neck there. It's all just dark inside, and then there is just nothing but like hatching, right? So I'll just do loads of it and just coming around this way. Okay, you could do more than that if you wanted, but that's enough for me, I think. Right, so his shoulders, so he's got a strap, but his shoulder comes down here, and again, like a ripped, torn sort of thing. And then the other side, kind of here, ripped and torn, like that. And then he has these two sort of backpack straps, round ones, like there. There, and then it has like some buckles or something like here with an edge line that goes around. You just follow the shape again, and then there's buckles or some sort of strap lines inside there. And then in here as well. Right, and then the straps seem to just dangle down this way. Right, and then we got like some armpit lines here. Center line for his body goes there. And then he has those black lines that come down this way. And then like some lines for like his chest somewhere here. armpit line, got it. Yep, there. Right shoulder, and like some more of Gran Torino's ripped. Just coming down that way. And then we got another black line on his shoulder. All scraggly. Going that way. Another one on the shoulder here. Like that, and some more of Gran Torino's ripped cape with like lots of hatching in there. That's like just black on that side. And then you can add some more sort of dirt and stuff like this. Might add some like dirt to his face, just like as if he's... Right. But there it is. That's how to draw Timeskip Deku. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.